Welcome to Company Showcase, an advertising feature on HowStreet.com.
My guest is Jim Pettit. He's the CEO and president of Aben Resources. Welcome back to the show, Jim.
Thank you. Great to be back.
A lot of new things happening with Aben this past week.
Well, there is. We just put a news release out. We're pretty much confirmed to go for drilling it'll be the first week. We still haven't nailed down the exact date, but it's coming up. We are going back in to test the high-grade zones that we had previously identified. That's the place to start the program. They are the highest priority targets we have, and once again, I'll just reiterate these grades that were drilled years ago. The one hole was 10 meters of 30 grams gold, and another one was 29 meters of just about 10 grams gold, which they're fantastic holes. They're about 4 kilometers apart. It's all there's a gold anomaly that basically spans between them. And that is the top priority area. We do have a lot of other target areas to get to, but to start with, this is where we're going to be. Should be noted that earlier in the week, GT Gold, just to our north, came out with some pretty stellar numbers at the beginning of their drill program. Granted, they're about half what we're talking about, but they had a great start. Their stock went from 37 cents to a high of $1.04, still trading millions of shares a day. So it gives you an indication of the market, the people watching what's going on. They know, the market knows there is this certain amount of drilling just getting started up there. Colorado's, they started 3 weeks ago. They've got news coming out. We're starting. We'll have news later on in the summer. GT Gold has got more results coming. So there's the audience is building. I mean, their market cap has gone from about 26 million market cap to 71 million in 3 days. Pretty spectacular.
Jim, where is this taking place?
This is all in the Golden Triangle, northwestern British Columbia. The most recent results from GT Gold are just to the north corner of the Golden Triangle, right by the Red Chris mine. Colorado's just down, by us, actually, on our southern boundary. Our property's basically right in the middle of the Golden Triangle. Colorado extends from our southern borders to the south and east. And there are others. There's others starting to work. There's SK Mining. There's Garibaldi, and a few others. So it's good to see. It's really good to see.
Jim, can you give us a bit of a background for Aben?
Well, I assembled this land package last year, and that's really all we did. We didn't get any work done other than in October. We did some field work to do some confirmation of old data. We spent the past year doing a big data compilation GIS study, compiling the 3 properties that I put together into one. So there's just 80 to 90 drill holes historically done, plus 20,000 soil and rock samples. So there's lots of data to work with, lots of geochem, and there was some geophysics done, especially on the southern part of the property. What we're looking at going forward is we've narrowed it down to some priority targets to get started with. There literally is, about 20 significant targets throughout the property that we would like to get back to, but that's going to be over the next couple of years. Aben's symbol, if we want to get right back down to that, is ABN. The OTC, it's ABN AF, and in Frankfurt, it's E2L2. We've got 47.6 million shares outstanding, and fully diluted is about 61.5 million. That includes the financing we just completed.
How can people contact Aben?
People can contact me or Don Myers at 1-800-567-8181, or the telephone basic landline is 604-687-3376, or can contact at info@Aben Resources or www.abenresources.com.
Jim, thanks for the update.
You bet. Thanks.
We've been speaking with Jim Pettit, CEO and President of Aben Resources. I'm Jim Goddard. We were talking on July 27th.
Comments made on Company Showcase are an expression of opinion only and should not be construed in any manner whatsoever as recommendations to buy or sell any financial instrument at any time. Archived online at howstreet.com. Company Showcase is a production of How Street Media Incorporated.